Now, being a mom of 3 active boys, I'm always looking for amazing indoor activities for them just to get the energy out and have a great time. And this indoor trampoline set has been absolutely amazing. We've had it for about a week now, and my boys have used this trampoline every single day. It's been so fun for them because there's so many different things they can do on it, and it's great for all ages too. So let me show you a little bit about it. Now, this trampoline is 55 inches, which makes it a great size for indoor activities. It doesn't take up too much room, especially if you have a little play space in your house for your kids. I love how it comes with so many different accessories. So you have just your normal trampoline. It's netted in. There's nice foam padding around it, so it keeps your kids nice and safe. There's also a swing in here, which my kids love it, especially my youngest, because outside it's a little hard for him to jump up on the swing. This is the perfect size for him, and he has his own little swing to himself. It also has a set of rings too, which is really fun. I love how each of the sets are adjustable in height, so you can go and raise and lower them as your kids need them. And then this bar on here is perfect for my older kids. They love holding on to it, flipping upside down, doing pull-ups on it, getting a nice little workout. It's so much fun. It just gives them a space to get the energy out, have fun, especially these upcoming winter months here where you're gonna be stuck inside. This is a great thing to have at your house. Now, this bar here also is adjustable too. On the side, you can go ahead and adjust it to make it higher and lower as your kids need it. It also comes with a really nice basketball hoop too, so you can go ahead and attach it right to the side, and your kids can go ahead and slam dunk the baskets for extra fun. Now on the front there is a zipper, which makes it easy access for them to get in and out, and it makes it nice and enclosed when they are inside. And on the bottom too, there are suction cups, which makes it really nice, especially if you are on a nice flat surface. It'll stick right to the floor and it's not going anywhere for you. Now this is perfect for indoor use. That's what my kids like to use it for, but this is also great too if you do have a younger kid and they're not ready for one of the big trampolines. This one's perfect for them for outside. This would also make an amazing gift too, whether it's birthday, Christmas. It's gonna be a gift that you're gonna give and you know that kid's gonna love it. So like I said, if you're like me and you are a mom of active kids and you're looking for that fun indoor activity just to get that energy out and let them have a great time, this indoor trampoline is a great option. Thanks for watching.